The Meghalaya government is keen to develop hydropower projects in Meghalaya and leaving no stone unturned to ensure that more and more hydropower projects come up in the state. Power Minister A.T. Mondal today said that the government would even welcome private producers to develop hydropower projects in the state. He said that the pending power projects have not been scrapped by the government and only a few MOUs with the implementing agency have been scrapped. Mondal also said discussions have taken place with NTPC and NIPCO to restart the hydropower projects.
We are as of now engaged with only central public sector units like NTPC, NIPCO and all these things. We are open to private power producers also if they want to come and invest. We are looking forward to see that some projects from there.
The Umsning block